Facebook shares crash on data breach fallout, $130 billion wiped out. Facebook shares went into a freefall Wednesday as a stunningly weak financial outlook raised fresh concerns for the social networking giant, as it tries to recover from the impact of data protection scandals and investigations. After-hours trade saw Facebook shares plunge by some 21%, wiping out an estimated $130 billion in market value if the slump is confirmed. At Thursday's market opening, the second quarter report sparked initial selling after it showed revenue and user growth came up short of expectations. Profit was up 31% in the second quarter at $5.1 billion. Revenues rose 42% to $13.2 billion, slightly below most forecasts. Chief Executive Mark Zuckerberg told the call the tech giant has been investing heavily in safety, security and privacy after being rocked by concerns of manipulation of the platform to spread misinformation and the hijacking of user data. Zuckerberg has said he did not expect a meaningful impact from their uproar over data hijacked by political consulting firm Cambridge Analytica, but the last quarter's figures suggested some cooling. The update showed the key metric of monthly active users rose 11% to 2.23 billion, below most estimates of 2.25 billion, while daily active users grew a weaker than expected 11% to 1.47 billion. Almost all of Facebook's revenue, $13 billion of the total $13.20 billion, came from online advertising, a sector dominated by their California social network along with Silicon Valley rival Google. Although Facebook shares were in a slump after the Cambridge Analytica scandal broke earlier this year, the stock had risen sharply and hit record levels this month. According to the research firm eMarketer, Facebook is expected to hold an 18% share of the $273.29 billion worldwide digital ad market, behind Google's 31%. According to the research firm, Facebook-owned Instagram is making up for some of the slowdown in growth at the social network and will generate $8.06 billion in worldwide ad revenue this year. Separately Wednesday, Facebook General Counsel Colin Stretch, who advised the company through a series of probes and investigations into data privacy, said he would be leaving for personal reasons.